What's up, guys? Mike Rogers here with Mike Rogers Music, and today we are talking about, this is my first ever how-to video. Today we're talking about how to record your entire screen using the QuickTime Player here on a Mac. Most of the Macs already come pre-installed with the QuickTime Player. If they do not, you can get it from the Apple website pretty easily. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Finder window right down here, and it'll bring up this window. You'll go down to QuickTime Player, and you'll open that up. I already have it open, obviously, right now. It's going to bring up this window right here, which is any other files you have saved here. Usually just get out of that, and you're going to go to File, and then you're going to go down to New Screen Recording. It's going to look a little bit different than it does right now. I'm recording right now, so so it looks a little bit different. I'll actually show you what it's going to look like. That's one limitation I want to point out, actually. When you're in that window like that, you can't do a screen capture. So I had to actually take a picture of what it looks like when you're not recording so that you guys could see accurately. So you can capture your entire screen right here. You can capture a certain window, or you can capture a certain part of your screen here. These two options are essentially these ones, but it's just already kind of arms it for recording. This is record the entire screen or record a part of your window, so I'm recording the entire screen here. If you click any of these options, it won't start recording until you hit that record button, so don't worry. And then you have your options here. These are pretty important. You can choose where you want to save the file when it's done. I have it going to the desktop. You can save it to any other place you want to. You can also set a timer if you want to, 5-10 seconds. And then the microphone, that's pretty important. I am using I'm running my microphone through some audio recording software, and then through a virtual interface here, I'm picking up that audio through QuickTime. But you can use, if you had a USB, a lot of those USB microphones are pretty popular for screen recording. You could, if you had that plugged in, it would show up here, and you can use that microphone too. So that's pretty much it. I also want to point out some of the benefits of using screen recording, using the QuickTime Player for screen recording. You could do anything from how-to videos, which is what I'm doing. So I'm a musician, and it could be a way for you to get other followers to your channel for different reasons. So for myself, I'm going to do some how-to videos with music, particularly in some recording software and producing and things like that. So it can be really beneficial, and it's free. You know, there's other softwares out there. I think Screencast, I can't remember what it's called. It's free, but I think it limits after 5 minutes. I don't believe there's a limit here on the QuickTime Player. You could need it for a school project. I worked on a master's degree last year, and I had to use it for a couple projects, and it worked really great. Or you might need it for a work project. You need to do something at home. Maybe you're working in instructional design or technology or something like that, and you need it for a work project. So it can really help you out. It can really help do some tutorials and grow your following. So don't be afraid to check it out, guys, and leave me some comments and post some questions at the bottom of the video if you have any other uses for recording your screens that I may have left out. And then when you're done with the video, all you do is you go right here at this little icon here in the top right, and that'll stop your video. And once you do that, it will save wherever you have it. In my case, it's going to save right here on the desktop. That's the destination I chose for the video, and it'll save as a .mov file. And I can drag that right into iMovie right here, which is what I'm going to do. Make some edits, and then you have your video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you like what you hear, go to MikeRogersMusic.com for more. Thank you.